Judge is holding a hearing to reconsider the temporary restraining order that he issued on Sunday night to accelerate this presidential vote recount requested by Green Party presidential candidate Jill Stein. Rod Maloney joins us now live at the federal courthouse in downtown Detroit with what all this could mean for this recount process that's ongoing right now.
Well, and the process may stop, but we don't know just yet where that is going. But the thing is that we've had both attorneys from both sides have been up and talking to Judge Mark Goldsmith, who was the original judge in this case back on Sunday. Now, what the state of Michigan is saying, and they're reiterating what they've been saying all along, is that Dr. Stein, Jill Stein, is not an aggrieved party, that she can't just ask for a recount because she wants one, because it won't overturn the results. Now, it's interesting, her attorney got up and said that the recount would reveal a different winner, just not Dr. Stein. And that's what they're going for. And they're also saying that, that Dr. Stein participated in an election that may have been altered by fraud. And they say the only way that this can be found to determine whether there was fraud was to go ahead and count the ballots. Now, the state is saying that she's not an aggrieved party. She can't win, that overturning the results would not change anything for her, so therefore she's not an aggrieved party. So now it's up to the judge to decide whether to dissolve the temporary restraining order. He's been asking tough questions on both sides, but the most recent questions that he was asking as I came out just a couple of minutes ago was why it is that the Stein campaign didn't do anything or try and do anything about the fraud in advance of the election. He wants to know why it is that they feel that the statute should be interpreted that way. So he had a lot of questions, and we're going to find out now whether he feels that at this point the federal government has the decision-making power to continue this recount. So we'll have to wait and see as to where that's headed, but it's been an interesting morning in court, to say the least. Reporting live downtown, Rod Maloney, Local 4.
Well, this whole thing has been pretty interesting. We'll see what happens next. Thank you, Rod.